Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Brave browser has received an update which includes 4 bug fixes and our weekly Chromium security update. So as always, to check we have this latest point release, we head to our main menu, Help, About Brave. Latest version and build for the browser 1.87.190 and for the Chromium platform 145.0.7632.109. Now, first of all, focusing on the security fixes that have rolled out. First of all, we get 3 security fixes. Thankfully, there are no 0 days or critical vulnerabilities that need to be patched, but we do have 2 high-severity vulnerabilities that have been patched, listed as heap buffer overflow in PDF-VM and integer overflow in the V8 JavaScript engine, and then we get 1 medium heap buffer overflow in media. So 3 security fixes have rolled out for the Chromium platform, addressing 2 high-severity vulnerabilities. Now, the bug fixes that have rolled out, first of all, just going to mention the first. Brave says it's fixed a template injection in procedural cosmetic filtering as reported on HackerOne by How to Play. So that's taking place under the hood. And then Brave says it's fixed a memory leak on page refresh in certain cases. So that's a small niggly issue if you were experiencing, which will be nice to see being fixed. And Brave has fixed the extension favicon, been overwritten by Brave's new tab page favicon. So that's another niggly issue. And then Brave says it's fixed the inability, if you're using Brave News, it's fixed the inability to open the 3-dot menu on Brave News articles. So just 4 niggly issues there that I think if you were experiencing any of those, nice to see that those have been sorted out. So 4 bug fixes and 3 Chromium security fixes, and we are still waiting for Microsoft Edge to receive this week's security patch. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.